Good evening and welcome to 200forexpips.com. I'm here with the final analysis of 24th of August 2018. Okay guys, I was not able to post the analysis because I was traveling and was not free, so that was why I was out for many days. And now let's get started with the signals from Great Britain Pound USD. So guys, today I have supplied the bullish trend in case of Great Britain Pound USD from 128.279, and you can see that right from the entry we have seen a significant upward trend on Great Britain Pound USD, and the target price that I have supplied to my subscribers was 128.629, and you can see that the target price is already met. So those subscribers who have taken the buy positions today on Great Britain Pound USD, they must have taken a very good profit. Okay, now let's talk about the drop that has appeared just on USDJPY. I have supplied the bearish entry from 111.320, and the target price was 110.865. And guys, you can see that we have a break on the entry, and it looks like that USDJPY is going further down. If we switch our chart to the 4-hour, then you can see that after the very sweet upward trend, the market went inside the top red boundary, blue boundary, which is the overbought level, and after that we have seen a rejection and the market is going down. So that is why we are getting the bearish pressure on the 1-hour chart. So if you have taken the sell position, then your trades must be in profit. However, I have closed it at my end because it's going to be at the late session at my end. Okay, now let's talk about the bullish trend that is seen today on AUDUSD. 072831 was the bullish entry, and the target price was 073253. And guys, you can see that right from the entry we have seen a significant upward trend, and the market has already touched the target price 073253. So those subscribers who have taken the buy positions on AUDUSD, they must have caught the massive profit. Okay, now let's talk about the USD Canadian dollar. A big drop has appeared today, and that's what 200forexpips.com has predicted in the morning. 130768 was the bearish entry, and the target price was 130411. And guys, you can see that we have a big drop on USD Canadian dollar, and the target price is already met. So if you have taken the sell positions today on USD Canadian dollar, then you must have collected the profit. At last, I'm going to talk about Great Britain Pound JPY. A bullish signal was supplied from 142.868, and the target price was 143.479. Okay, however, you can see that the market went up to 143.237. However, the signal was from 142.868. So guys, note down, we have received a bearish signal on Great Britain Pound JPY. At the moment, you can see the scalper has pointed us with a red arrow. So now you need to be careful because the market can go down anytime. So just get rid of trading. Maybe this can also go on down on Monday. So it's not a wise time to enter into the buy positions on Pound JPY. If you have done the scalping during the early session, then that's fine. But now there is no need to trade because we have received a bearish signs here, and there are other factors that I'm looking at the moment, so they are giving the bearish signals. Okay, for the newcomers who are just new to the trading channel, let me explain about the trading system. Buy in the lower red boundary with confirmations. Like here, you can see the market started to making a bullish candles here, and Great Britain Pound JPY moved up, and when it goes into the top red boundary, that's the time to sell the pair, and you can see the pair is down. And this is how we use the trading system. Moreover, if the scalper gives you the white arrow, it means that it has given you a buy signal from here. Then it means you need to take a buy position. When it gives the sell signal at the top, then you need to take sell positions. Like here, we have received a sell signal from the overbought levels, so you need to be very careful with this. Okay guys, this is all about the today's analysis. So if you are looking to subscribe to my daily forex signal service, if you want to get the trading indicators that we have just discussed, if you want to improve your trading technique through my video lessons, or you want to request for Skype 1-to-1 live coaching, for all this you need to email me on info@200forexpips.com. Please like my videos, subscribe my YouTube channel, and share the analysis with other traders. Thank you for watching the video. Have a great weekend. Bye.